How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Google Maps on a device. Now tap on the search bar. Now search for your destination. Now tap on the location. Then tap on directions. Now tap on choose start location. Now select your location. Now tap on turn on. Now select the route and tap on start. Now tap on the speaker icon. Again tap on the speaker icon. Now this will turn on the voice navigation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.